Hi girls, happy Thursday. I'm getting ready to go out. Let me just set my face here. It is Thursday and I initially wasn't planning on going out tonight, but it's Pride and there's so much fun stuff going on, so I thought I'd just go out for a little bit and get the weekend started, babe. Here we fucking go. Whoa, I haven't used this plumping gloss in a while and it's fucking burning, babe. I'm just gonna get dressed and then figure out what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm gonna be going out soon. Let me show you what I'm wearing. It's a little chillier tonight, so I'm wearing a long sleeve. Mind you, it's like completely see-through, but yeah, I've got this little lace top, these jeans. I think I'm gonna wear like Converse because it's like a chill vibe-ish. We're gonna be outside.
Well, you are 20.
It is the new bouncer.
I'm not 20. He's complaining about it. I go, bitch,
The bouncer should know my name.
green. Inject me on me.
You only like green apples? You need to try a Fuji apple.
I love green grapes.
Are they
They're good.
Hi, vlog.
Some cute ass cookies.
Ooh, I like.
Happy Pride.
Happy Pride!
You're welcome.
Hot and ready, yeah.
Vlog. This is what the party's giving. Bye. Let's go be fucking whores. They don't take face card. It's not going anywhere.
What's happening?
Dog, how you doing?
Okay, whoa. Hey vlog.
Hi vlog. Oh my god, I'm also doing a Pride vlog.
I have to be really quiet.
Hello!
Adrian, because he's my best and I love him so much, and we're gonna pride it up this weekend.
Michelle Obama, purse so heavy, getting Oprah dollars. Michelle Obama, purse so heavy, getting Oprah dollars. Boss. Hey guys, good morning. So it's 7:30 and I'm getting ready for work. I have like an in-person thing I have to do at like a TV set. I actually like feel good though. I'm not like hungover or anything and I had a bunch of electrolytes, but I am tired because I did kind of like do my big one last night. I also finished yesterday's episode of Love Island and you know what my takeaway is? Bryce is a fucking king. Everyone else's storylines, I really just actually don't care other than like I hope Anaya really stays with Carl because I like Carl's vibe. So tonight I have drinks with a couple girlfriends and then I also have tickets to this Pride event, and then tomorrow I'm going to Electric Island in the day, which I'm super excited about. And I think after Electric Island I'm gonna try to go out because it's over at like 10. I'm gonna finish getting ready for the day. Here we go. Hi you guys, I'm done for the day with work. I'm home. I'm just gonna take a little nap to get myself together. Hello, I'm revived, I'm ready, I'm slaying, of course. I'm gonna leave in like literally 10 minutes. Yeah, I did not nap very much, I just could not get to sleep. Okay vlog, here's the fit. Something simple, nothing too crazy. Looking cute though. My hair curls are already like fucking gone. I'm just like, whatever. Hi vlog! I'm happy. So I can tell you there's no way to let it go. I don't wanna lose you now. You're looking right at the other half of me. Good morning. I look like a bit of a mess. And I sound like it too. Oh my god. My voice has just been like shot for the past like 3 weeks, I feel like. But it's 11 a.m. I'm going to Electric Island. So I have to leave in like 3 hours to get my friend's play. Hi you guys, I've started getting ready. I know my hair looks crazy, but I know it's gonna fall out. So I'm just trying to leave it as curly as possible. Yeah, so I started getting ready. I'm gonna have like a little snack and then do my makeup. Oh yeah.
Want me to take pictures of you?
Your cactus outside me is like a little lopsided. Like me?
Oh, I love this. It actually feels so good. It feels so good.
And if you don't like me, then sue me. Catch me, it ain't wise, okay. I don't know what they told you, but I ain't the one.
No, not even that. I'll pick it up. Don't worry. She's gonna have little soup. I'll put it on to Lucas' head. Yeah.
Bitch, damn, I'm hiking in this bitch.
If you don't like me, then sue me. Catch me.
Yeah, they're taking a water taxi.
Oh, let's do that.
Help me. Like, I'm at McDonald's because I'm actually gonna die.
How are we fitting with the theme here? How about everyone else?
Hi you guys, it's Sunday. It's like 12:30, 1 p.m. I just got burgers. I'm gonna sit on my balcony, eat my food, and watch last night's episode of Love Island After Sun. But what a fucking weekend this was. Another one for the books, babe. Oh my god, that is really something special. Hey y'all, don't mind how I look right now, but I've had a pretty chill day. I went to the grocery store, got groceries. I'm waiting for the new Love Island episode to come out. Just sitting on my balcony and like scream singing Olivia Rodrigo songs. Hope I'm not bothering anyone. If you guys don't mind, I'm just gonna continue screaming. I'm gonna have a pretty chill weekend, I think. Weekend coming up because I'm going on a little girls cottage trip vibe, and then I have like a work retreat as well. So yeah, gonna be on chill mode for a little bit, and I think I need it. I think my soul needs it. Shit's just been too crazy, like no sleep, bus club, another club, you know how it goes. But I'm feeling really happy because I just had such a fun weekend and I love my friends so much. So grateful. I'm gonna start crying. Sorry, I got a FaceTime. Yeah, so I'm feeling really happy. And now I'm gonna move on to scream singing Sabrina Carpenter off my balcony for the next 30 minutes until Love Island comes on. Anywho, thank you for watching this weekend's vlog. I love you guys, and I will see you next week.